The next topic is maps and directions. What is a map? A map is a flat drawing of the earth or of any part of it. Means earth की या किसी भी उसके part की, a flat drawing. A flat drawing of the earth or of any part of it, that is known as map. It shows the entire world at one time. Most of the maps include a symbol called compass rose. This is a compass rose. It shows the four main directions: north, south, east and west. North, south, east and west. These are the four main directions, and these directions are called cardinal directions. This compass rose might show the intermediate directions also. What are the intermediate directions? The directions between the main directions. What are the main directions? Cardinal directions. East, west, north and south. These are the four main directions and these are known as cardinal directions. And in between these cardinal directions, like north and east. What is this? Northeast. East and south, southeast. West and south, southwest. North and west, northwest. These four are intermediate directions. Is it clear? Then the earth also acts like a giant magnet with a north pole and a south pole. Earth has also its magnetic properties with north and the south pole. These are known as magnetic north pole and the magnetic south pole, due to which the needle of a compass always points towards the magnetic north pole. This gives us the general direction of the geographic north pole, which is a slight distance away from the magnetic north pole. Because of Earth's magnetism, a compass can be used for navigation during the day and night. It means that what is map? Map is a flat drawing of the earth or of any part of it. Then we have studied about the compass rose. What is compass rose? It shows the four main directions, and the four main directions are east, west and north and south. These four main directions are known as cardinal directions. This compass rose might show the intermediate directions. What are the intermediate directions? The directions between the main directions, like northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. These all are the intermediate directions. And again, the earth also acts as a giant magnet with its north pole and the south pole. These are known as magnetic north pole and magnetic south pole, due to which the needle of a compass always points towards the magnetic north pole. Because of Earth's magnetism, this compass can be used for navigation during day and night. Then comes the map symbols. Map symbols are the symbols that are used to represent real objects on the map. Both the shapes and the colors are used as symbols. Like we use a star to represent a state capital. If we want to represent a state capital, we use star. So map symbol is a symbol that is used to represent the real objects on the map. And all the maps have a key or a legend in a corner. This explains the symbols used on a map. What do we understand by map symbols? These are the symbols to represent real objects on the map. For example, star is used to represent state capital. This dot is used to represent major city. And there is a key or a legend in a corner of a map which explains the symbols used on a map. Now comes the types of maps. There are different types of maps Like road map. What is road map? It shows national and state highways, major roads connecting various cities and towns, airports and railroad tracks. Road map shows national and state highways, major roads connecting various cities and towns, airports and railroad tracks. It is used for directions while driving. Then weather map. As the name indicates, this map indicates the weather conditions and the patterns of the cities, states and countries. Then comes the grid map. It has a set of squares or a grid that is used to locate the places, and each location use a letter and a number on the grid. Physical map. It indicates various geographical features of a state or a country like mountains, hills, plains, deserts, rivers, lakes, seas, oceans. Then comes the political map. It shows the boundaries of the states and the countries, major towns and cities. And the capital city is usually marked with a star within a circle on a political map. So basically there are these 5 types of maps. First is road map, which shows the national and state highways, major roads connecting various cities and towns, airports and railroad tracks. Second is weather map, which indicates weather conditions and patterns of cities, states and countries. Third is grid map, which uses a set of squares or a grid which are used to locate the places. Fourth is physical map, which indicates the various geographical features of a state or a country like mountains, hills, plains, deserts, rivers. And the last is political map, which shows the boundaries of the states and the countries, major towns and cities.